Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Railway, deploy apps and databases easily step by step clearly. To log into Railway, first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in railway.app and hit enter. Once the Railway homepage loads, look for the login button located in the top right corner. Click on the login button to be directed to the login page. Here, you will see options to log in using your email or through various social media accounts. If you choose to log in with your email, enter your email address in the designated field. After entering your email, click the Continue button. Next, check your email for a login link sent by Railway. Open the email and click on the link provided. This will redirect you back to the Railway platform, where you will be logged in. If you opted to log in using a social media account, click on the respective icon. Follow the prompts to authenticate your social media account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Railway dashboard. From here, you can create and manage projects seamlessly. To deploy apps, click on the New Project button on your dashboard. Select the type of project you want to start, such as a web service or data. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your project settings. After configuring, click the Deploy button to launch your application. For managing databases, go to the Databases section in the dashboard. Click on Add Database to create a new database instance. Fill in the required details and click Create Database. Your database will be set up and ready for use shortly. You can access and manage both apps and databases easily from the dashboard. Railway's user-friendly interface makes deployment a hassle-free experience. Congratulations, you are now ready to deploy apps and databases with Railway. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.